Hi there, and welcome back to For the Living for You. My name is Marcy again. Today we're diving into one of the biggest shifts happening in luxury real estate right now. Before you head to Miami or Fort Lauderdale, watch this first. In this video, I break down why Pompano Beach and Deerfield Beach are the next big thing in the luxury and ultra luxury condo scene. So why Pompano and Deerfield Beach are exploding with new ultra-luxury condo development. I am talking about names like the Ritz-Carlton, Waldorf Astoria, Armani, and Rosewood. They are all making big investments right here, just north of Fort Lauderdale. Well, let's see why this is happening now. And if this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything about living and investing in South Florida, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and tap the bell for notifications so you'll be the first to know about any new opportunities in the current market in South Florida. We get calls every day from people just like you. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to reach out to us at any time. Our contact information is in the description box below, and we would be very happy to help you have a smooth move to South Florida. So let's get started. Well, we've all heard about Miami and the new construction boom years ago. Today, anything in Miami and Miami Beach costs millions of dollars. And the same thing happened to Fort Lauderdale years ago when it kicked off a mega shift in South Florida real estate. We saw luxury condo boom with 30 to 40-story high-rises being built everywhere. Towers like the Auberge, Four Seasons, and 100 Las Olas changed the real estate game, and suddenly Fort Lauderdale was on the global map. Ultra-luxury units selling for $40 million plus. But recently, land became nearly impossible to find, and the rising prices forced developers to look elsewhere, and they just found it, just a little north. They saw gold in Pompano Beach and Deerfield Beach. Let's start with Pompano Beach. Pompano Beach is transitioning from a pass-through town to a desirable destination for luxury coastal living. The city invested over $100 million into a full beachfront and downtown revitalization. We're talking about a brand new pier, gorgeous marina upgrades, a walkable beachfront promenade, parks, restaurants, bars, and a true sense of lifestyle. In addition, there is a $2 billion Pompano Beach project for a downtown transformation that includes apartments, shopping, and hotels. Even the Pompano Beach City Hall is moving to the new downtown. And let's not forget that by the Harbour Casino, which is just about 15 minutes from the beach, developers are building 4,000 residential apartments, 2 hotels. There is the Topgolf already there, and the casino, of course. We are seeing brands like the Waldorf Astoria, Armani, and the Ritz-Carlton coming to the area. And we know these brands don't choose locations lightly. They do market research, they see the long-term potential, and they are betting big in Pompano and Deerfield. You are seeing towers like Casamar, Solamar, the W Residences, Waldorf Astoria, Armani Casa offering exclusivity with private elevators, smart home tech, wine lounges, spa decks, and ocean views. And all of this for a lot less than similar condos in Miami and Miami Beach. All of them are either under construction or in final stages of planning. And guess what? They are going fast. Then, just a few miles north, there is Deerfield Beach. Quieter, more residential, and just as luxurious. Perfect for buyers who want luxury without crowds. And the luxury brands know it too. This is where we are seeing, for instance, a boutique ultra high-end project like the Rosewood Residences being built, which is designed for privacy and elegant living. They are ultra luxurious apartments facing the Intercoastal Waterway and across the street an Oceanfront tower offering full floor privacy, a wellness spa, concierge service, and exclusive beachfront access. It's tailored for the ultra wealthy who value exclusivity, privacy, and peace. So if you want that high-end lifestyle without the buzz and traffic, Deerfield is your place. Now, Who is buying these condos? Well, we're seeing three major groups. Number one, full-time professionals and downsizers looking for quality of life. Number two, seasonal buyers, snowbirds from the Northeast and Midwest. Number three, investors, especially in branded residences where rental demand is strong. Many of these luxury projects are seeing strong pre-construction sales, indicating high buyer interest. Some projects have already seen 15 to 20% value appreciation from pre-sale to current stage. So why are buyers and developers flooding in? Well, first, lower land prices mean better investment returns. For developers, the land being less expensive, the upside is better, and the market still has room for appreciation and growth. Second, it's still undiscovered territory to many out-of-state buyers, so there is room for appreciation. A lot of out-of-state buyers know Miami and Fort Lauderdale, but they are not too familiar with Pompano and Deerfield Beach. Third, the location is unbeatable. The beach is right there, and it's minutes from Fort Lauderdale and Boca Raton, but much more serene. And whenever you want a little more action, you're about 30 minutes from Miami or West Palm Beach. So again, let's not forget, brands like the Ritz-Carlton, Waldorf Astoria, Armani don't invest in just any market. When they choose to plant roots here, it's because they've done their homework and they see the long-term potential. With projects like Casamar, Solimar, W Residences, and Rosewood in Deerfield already on the way or nearly sold out, this luxury wave is just beginning. Pompano is set to become South Florida's next Bal Harbour or Sunny Isles, but with more walkability and small-town charm. Meanwhile, Deerfield Beach is emerging as the calm, residential sibling, perfect for buyers who want exclusivity, not flash. Whether you are an investor, a snowbird, or just dreaming of your next move to paradise, now is the time to pay attention to Pompano and Deerfield. On the next video, I will show the top new construction condos in Pompano and Deerfield Beach and how to get in early. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and drop a comment. Which city would you like to live in? We answer all of our comments. I'm Marcia again with Florida Living for You, and I'll see you soon.